Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing chocolate and tools. Chop 200-300 g into uniform pieces so it melts evenly. Place a heat-proof bowl over simmering water for a double boiler, or use short microwave bursts. Make sure no steam or water touches the chocolate because that causes seizing. Use a thermometer to monitor temperature. Keep a small piece of unmelted chocolate for seeding if you will temper. Start melting slowly and stir constantly so heat distributes. This first controlled melt sets the foundation for gloss and snap. Once your chocolate is liquefied, watch the temperature closely. Dark chocolate to 45-50 degrees C, 113-122 degrees F, milk/white slightly lower. Remove from heat at the right moment, and if tempering, add 20-30% chopped tempered chocolate as seed. Stir until the mixture drops to about 27-28 degrees C, which encourages stable crystals. Then gently rewarm to a working temperature, 31-32 degrees C for dark. If using the tabling method, spread 2/3 on cool marble. You'll finish by applying tempered chocolate to the cake. Start with a well-chilled crumb-coated cake so the chocolate sets quickly and doesn't pull crumbs. Pour from the center, push outwards, and smooth with an offset spatula. Tap the board to release air. Let it set for 10-20 minutes in a cool place or under a fan. Avoid sudden extreme cold that can cause bloom. If the chocolate seizes or becomes grainy, mix in a teaspoon of neutral oil or warm cream slowly and retemper. That usually brings it back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.